Hi, Precious. Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Precious. My son rescued her, or him, shall I say, from the playground. You're cleaning your feathers so nice? Yeah? I'm learning as I go, but I definitely love this bird. He's so intelligent and so loving. And a lot of work. I had no idea that birds need so much attention. Precious, what are you doing over there? Making sure everything gets clean? My goodness, what's that all about? Such a pretty bird. Yeah. Okay, you gonna get ready to go to sleep? Take a nap? Birds get into everything. They have to be busy all the time. They need tons of toys and things to keep them busy. Thanks for watching.